BJP's policy is only very clear. Except Mr. Modi, there is nobody else. So they have not projected any leader. They have not given prominence to any leader. So today they are struggling to find someone to lead the opposition in the assembly. So it is their own doing. The more you project Mr. Modi and finish all other leaders, this is the situation you have to face.
Do you think it will even impact the upcoming Lok Sabha polls as well? Because you say that there is no state leadership in Karnataka.
See, the biggest enemy of the BJP leaders is their own policy of promoting one supreme leader and finishing off all others. So definitely this will be a very big disadvantage for the BJP. It will definitely reduce their numbers and the winning chances.
Sir, how do you see the Maharashtra crisis where NCP leaders have taken oath and NCP still says we are still exist here?
See, it is a very clear case of weakening the democracy. There are two aspects to it. The BJP very well knows that they are going to lose this election. That is why they are desperately trying to engineer splits in the opposition parties so that the vote gets divided, so that the strength gets divided. If Mr. Modi is so confident, if the BJP is so confident that they can repeat what happened in 2019, then why do you have to split the opposition parties? That means you know that you have become unpopular. That means the BJP knows that they are on their way out from the corridors of power.
You are saying
Kumaraswamy yesterday alleged that there is a new tax system which has been introduced in the government that is called YST. He is comparing that there is a new Yatindra Siddaramaiah tax introduced where the government is involving in corruption and collecting money.
Mr. Kumaraswamy should understand that our government has not even completed 40 days. So if we are not even completed 40 days and he is giving a judgment for a government which has not even completed 40 days, we are presenting the first budget, that shows how desperate they are.